Hello guys! So ngayon, dito kami mag-unbox nitong anak ko sa taas namin, sa kwarto kasi yung kusina namin ay may nagtatrabaho. Kaya dinala ko na lang tong crockpot dito para i-unbox natin. So, ayan guys. Crockpot.
Let me see if I can
Slow
carry it.
cooker.
Let me see if I can carry it.
Oh no, you're so strong, Bob. Look.
Now you're
Oh,
holding it.
okay. He is super strong, guys.
I always drink milk.
Yeah, he does drink in the morning milk and before he go to bed. So guys, nagpabili ako nito sa asawa ko kahapon kasi sabi ko gusto ko magluto ng slow cook na beef roast. Tama ba yung pronounce natin? So, gusto ko magpalambot ng yung mga meat na matagal lutuin, guys. Para hindi na tayo magbantay ng magbantay. Kailangan natin itong pot na to. Kaya, anuin mo lang siya. Isit mo lang siya kung ilang hours. Kahit iwanan mo na siya, guys, sa bahay or saan ka pumunta. Safe naman siya kasi ano lang siya, yung parang naka-slow na temper yung temperature ng kanyang heat. So, safe naman siya. Ito guys na lutuan na to ay para sa mga busy na tao. So, tama ng daldal. Buksan na ang ating i-unbox. Pakita ko sa inyo ganyan. So, kararating ko lang guys, galing sa trabaho kanina. Baby, be careful, okay? Go over there because there's scissor there.
I know. I just saw it.
What?
You just broke it.
I guess so.
Do the crock pot first.
What?
Do the crock pot first. So.
Okay. Ah! Oh my God, look. Ganito pala siya, guys. Hold on, baby.
Let me carry it.
Put it there.
Okay. It's not. Why is carrying it with me? I'm just strong. Metal. Guys, it's metal. Look.
Can't see you. So, pakita natin
It's
yung
metal.
tsura niya. Buksan na natin lahat para makita ng ating mga viewers. Buksan na at ipakita mo na. Ang ganda guys. Gusto ko din yung kulay niya kasi black.
They're
No,
all
you
black.
have to put it there
No,
first.
they're all black.
Oh, ang bigat. Ganyan yung itsura niya, oh.
Try to put it there.
That's where
Wait,
it
what the-
goes.
Oh, that's where it goes?
Yeah. So, ganyan siya,
Well, you
guys.
have to clean it.
So, ito siya, guys.
You have to clean it.
Hmm.
No. I think you can use it for cooking if you want to cook outside or inside.
I think this is for indoor only. Because you have to plug it in.
Nice.
Nice. So, meron siyang ganito, oh. Pang-lock, guys, oh. Pwede mo siyang i-lock. Ang ganda. Ang bili ko nito, guys, sa Target ay $60. Kayo na mag-ano niyan. Milan yan sa Filipino money. Merong mas malaki nito, mas mahal din. So, guys, ito na. Ang ating lutuan.
Let me talk.
Why you are talking when I'm talking?
Because I
You
want
don't
to
do that.
talk.
Then you have to wait and be nice.
I want to talk. I was talking first.
What do you want to say?
You almost put the plug on me.
Oh, it's fine because it's not even plug in. It's safe right now.
No, like you almost put it on me.
Okay,
Put it
sorry.
on my mouth.
Okay, sorry. Guys, minsan mga anak natin ay
quite curious, but might be glitch. I just want to call it red balloon for now because I know.
ito pa yung mga mga
I don't
babasahin natin kung... Rida, do you know how to read?
So I think it'd
Hmm?
be fun for now.
Well, I can't read all of it.
Hearing sound.
Guys, tingnan natin kung marunong magbasa ang aking anak. Come on, bebe. Go read it. For how to clean your slow cooker.
Slow cooker.
Okay, go read.
Caution. Caution.
What?
Caution.
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 Okay, read.
Unplug your slow cooker and allow it to cool before cleaning.
So
1. Clean lid and stoneware with warm, soapy water and dry trophy.
Trolley.
Fully.
you gotta at least get it dirty.
Fully. Like, why is it? It's like if you say it, it's like TROLLY.
Mm-hmm.
It's not good.
Number 2.
Number 2.
I can't sit on the floor.
Okay. Number 2.
Number 2. Plug in it and select this for the temperature. Number 3. For models with timers, use a timer or select the control to set the cooking time. Models may vary.
So
Wait, Caution.
Caution.
I keep forgetting.
That's okay.
Warm setting does not cook food. I'm setting.
The warm setting.
It is for only keeping already cooked food warm.
Yeah.
Do not use for more than 4 hours.
Whoa.
Caution. Oh yeah.
Say caution.
Caution.
There you go.
Number 4. When cooking is complete, turn off and unplug your slow cooker. Allow it to cool
Hold
before
on.
cleaning.
Okay. That's it.
Oh wait.
Thank you for reading this to us.
My channel is that place.
Huh? Oh yeah, guys,
Subscribe to my channel, Zach Place.
meron siyang channel na Sack Place. Sabi niya, baka daw pwede kayo mag-subscribe.
If you search Zach Place, you might see
Tell
it.
them, subscribe to your channel if you want. Come on. Paki-support naman daw ng kanyang channel, guys. Kasi gusto niya maging YouTuber, gaming. Gaming ang kanyang content.
I want to be a gamer.
He wants to be a gamer, guys. So, this is his channel. So, please subscribe and
see
support
myself.
my baby boy channel.
If you search that place, and you might see it, and it looks like this. With my plushies. My plushies are here.
Yeah.
Yes, that's because it's my channel.
So, yan guys. Yun lang muna guys ngayon araw kasi bukas ko guys lulutuin yung ano ko. Yung meat na lulutuin ko dito sa crockpot. Don't do that, baby. Thank you guys sa panonood. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang ating video at kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video, paki-like naman at subscribe kung hindi ka pa nakapag-sub dyan. Para dumami na tayo guys. Thank you guys. Bye. Say bye, baby.
Bye.